Monica here, BJC dietitian. Nice to talk to you again. And today we're going to talk a little bit about whether intermittent fasting can help with reducing inflammation. And the good news is that lots of studies now and research are showing that it may actually reduce inflammation by helping with reduction of inflammatory markers such as cytokines and CRP. Intermittent fasting can help produce a compound called beta-hydroxybutyrate, which can block parts of your immune system that are involved in regulating inflammatory disorders such as arthritis. It can help reduce insulin resistance, which in turn can help reduce inflammation. And we also know that intermittent fasting can help with weight loss, body fat reduction, which we know too much body fat can actually increase inflammation in the body, but it can also help with concentration, focus, energy, and even improve your mood. So if you were going to consider starting intermittent fasting, there are two popular methods that most of my clients use, as well as some of our staff here at BJC Health. And one of the popular methods is the 5-2 diet, which means that on 2 days a week that are not consecutive, they're separated in the week, you would eat a 500 to 600 calorie diet, and then your other 5 days would be just free eating. The other popular way of doing it is having a 16-hour fast and then only eating in an 8-hour window during the day. So most people will fast from 8 p.m. at night and then follow that through till lunchtime, 12 o'clock the next day, and then they'll eat lunch, a good afternoon tea, and then have dinner time and then start their fast again. And most people would do that 2 or 3 times per week. The things you need to watch a little bit if you are going to try intermittent fasting is that we try not to fall into the trap of I fasted yesterday, or I had my low calorie day if you're doing the 5-2 yesterday, and now I can eat whatever I want, because that can defeat the purpose of the fasting days. So trying to eat a healthy anti-inflammatory diet, go back to some of the other things I've talked about over some of my sessions that we'll talk a little bit about the types of foods involved with that. Go for the Mediterranean style of eating and pack a punch with all those high antioxidant foods. And then the intermittent fasting method could work really well for you. And if you need any help, then we always say, please get guidance from an accredited practicing dietitian who will happily guide you through what will work best for you.